everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, some of you guys have been messaging me and commenting and just, I don't know about not freaking out, but Walgreens has just dropped a bomb on us that I think is the stupidest thing. But the way they're doing that is they want people to redeem points. Now, some people hoard their money on their account, which is fine if you guys want to hoard it, but I mean, I've seen I follow a couple groups, and I've seen people have $400-500 worth of points. Why? I don't know why you guys need that much points. I average keep about $150 worth of points in my account. I think I got less than that now, but I try to keep that average, but I'm always constantly using my points. I redeem $10 to $40 of $50 worth of points every time I go shopping, but my goal is to always try to make it back. So they just dropped a bomb on us saying that their policy or their rewards program is changing. Okay, so you guys haven't received this email yet, and we will all be receiving an email soon about it. But we will be getting an email on October 2nd. So right now they sent all the stores this information. We will be either getting an email, it'll show up on a Catalina that will print off depending on what comes first. But we will be getting notified, either email, Catalina, and then there's another thing that we're getting on October 2nd explaining this. But I wanted to explain this to you guys ahead of time, so you guys know ahead of time. Sorry, my kids is having me open some toys for them. But starting November 4th, Walgreens policy for their points is you guys can, we used to be able to redeem $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, $35, and $50 worth of points. Starting November 4th, you guys can only redeem up to $5 worth of points. So you guys can only redeem 5,000 points. You guys, I still think we can still redeem the $1, the $2, and the $3 ones, but they're only going to make it where you guys can only redeem up to 5,000 points. Now, I see this being a huge problem for us couponers. I see several transactions, which is going to suck. But that's not our problem because Walgreens went and changed their policy on us. So I know a lot of us will be making more transactions to redeem money. It all depends. And then I also heard some of us might be losing points too, but I don't know how accurate that's going to be. But I saw something online. I think it was something posted on the Walgreens couponing Facebook page, and then I went into the store today. I talked to the assistant manager. He is one that I am just not a big fan of. He is very short with me. He just doesn't care. And I was looking for the store manager, and I said, "Hey, is she around?" No, her boss is explaining about the new points, and I'm like, "Well, is there a chance you could get me a copy of what this thing is?" And he's like, "No." And I'm just like, okay, so I had to like do some research and really find out if this is true. So this is true. The cashier I talked to, she's kind of mad about this because she knows a lot of people are going to be doing several transactions. So I don't remember what site I found this on, but it says, we are starting to hear rumors about the changes when redeeming balance reward points. Changes are coming. The changes will begin on November 4th, 2018. Customers will start receiving notifications through emails, Catalinas, and direct mail. The info should be received by October 2nd. So we'll be getting something in the next couple weeks showing you guys what is going on. So the new changes are 1,000 points equals $1. The maximum you guys can redeem is 5,000 points, which is $5. This will not affect anything by earning points. So we still will be able to earn points. So when you guys still get those Catalinas, you know, Benjamin, can you just let me talk first and then I'll build this? But we'll still be receiving Catalinas, you know, if you guys spend so much, you get that. You just can only redeem that. But I have a feeling since we're going to be doing separate transactions more, we won't be able to use those Catalinas. So I do know they will be having problems with that. So I don't know, I just don't like the new Walgreens policy. I feel like Walgreens has not been like coupon friendly a lot. I know a lot of you guys have been saying this for a while now, but I feel like it's getting worse. Their deals aren't the greatest. You know, their coupons half the time, their digital coupons don't work. But you guys can contact, you know, corporate if you want, but I have a feeling this won't last that long because a lot of people will be doing that. And I feel like $5 is whoopee. You can't do very much with $5. So yeah, I will be one of those people who does, sorry, I'm building like a little minion thing for my kid, but I'll be one of those people who probably doing several transactions because I don't want to pay that much money out of my pocket. Now I don't know if they're just geared towards us couponers or if they're geared towards just your regular people. But I know your average person who shops at Walgreens, they don't have, there you go honey, they don't have as much money in their account like us, but what they're trying to do is have people pay with their points more. So they don't want you to hoard your points. So make sure you guys are using them. A lot of you guys back then were also asking, you know, my store said that if on this date, if I don't use my points, I'll lose them. No, that's not true. They started doing that a year ago. As long as you guys are active and getting points and using your points, as long as you keep rolling them, you guys will never have to worry about them expiring. The only way you will find out if they're expiring is you guys will get an email, or you guys will get a Catalina that prints off at your, when you purchase stuff. It'll say, hey, you guys have so much points that are going to be expiring. Might not be all your points, but you can also go to the Walgreens website and you guys can look at all the points that you earned in each transaction. Now, funny thing is, you guys can go back, I think, so many months to see what is going to expire, so you guys can see what will be an expired. But I have a feeling with the people who've been hoarding their points, the way that what's going to happen is you're not going to be redeeming as much, so you're going to be losing those points eventually because you're not redeeming as much. So just giving you guys a heads up. I'm not trying to confuse you, but this is happening. It is a real thing. We'll see how it goes, but I just say you guys got to do smaller transactions. I know a lot of stores won't like that, but you know what, then they might be a little bit easier on coupons because, you know, we're kind of following the coupon policy. So giving you guys a heads up on that, but I know I just don't like changes. I just don't, but we'll all get used to it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys. I want to help you guys, but yeah, so again, we'll be receiving an email, text around October 2nd, and this takes place starting November 4th. I don't even know what day November 4th is. It's probably a Sunday. Yeah, it's a Sunday, so we'll have to see what happens, but I just don't like changes. But if you guys enjoy this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more up-to-date videos, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.